If your Windows 10 or Windows 11 running very slowly on your desktop computer or on your laptop computer, it's not because of your application installed on your computer. Might be there is a setting that causing the slowness in your desktop computer. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a very basic setting might be the root cause of your desktop slowness. So to turn off this settings, all you need to do is just click on start, then click on this gear icon, which is settings, then click on Windows Updates, then click on Advanced Options, then Delivery Optimization. By default, this delivery optimization feature is on. If you are a Windows Home user, this setting is not for you. What exactly this setting does is, if allow downloads from other devices is enabled, your device send downloaded updates and applications to other local devices on your network. When this settings runs in the background, it eats your bandwidth and also it slows down your Windows 11 computer. So I suggest to turn it off. This way your computer will get the updates from Microsoft, not by getting the updates from other PCs, or other will not get the updates from your computers. That's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one.